My name is Isabella. You may know my story. I married a man who lied to me. He wanted my money, not my heart. It broke me, but I survived. I grew stronger. Now, years later, I see another young woman. Her name is Clara. She is quiet. She is kind. She is in love. But I see the signs. Her boyfriend buys big things. He spends money he does not have. He asks her about her family's wealth. He wants control. She smiles and says, "It is fine. He loves me." I remember myself. I remember the same words. One afternoon, I sit with Clara. I look into her eyes. I tell her my story. The big house, the red car, the hidden debts, the cruel laugh, the broken dream. She listens. Her smile fades. Her hands shake. She whispers, "That is my story too." I take her hand. I say, "Then stop it now. Do not wait like I did. Do not let him break you." Tears come to her eyes. She nods slowly. She understands. She leaves him. She chooses herself. And in that moment, I see the meaning of my pain. I could not save myself from heartbreak, but I can save her. My scar becomes her shield. That is why I tell my story. Because money cannot buy love. Because lies cannot build a life. Because sometimes your story can protect another heart. I am Isabella. I was hurt. I was broken. But I turned my pain into purpose. And you can too.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.